Let's talk about comparing fractions. Shade in the fraction, then use greater than or less than to compare the two fractions. The first fraction is 1/4. I will shade 1 out of the 4 pieces. And the next fraction is 3/4. I'll shade in 3 out of the 4 parts. I can see from my picture that 1/4 is less than 3/4. Make sure the widest part of your sign is always open to the bigger fraction. Let's look at the next example. 3/3, so I'll shade in 3 out of the total 3 parts, and 1/3, I'll shade in 1 out of the 3 total parts. I can see from my picture that 3/3 is greater than 1/3. Let's look at the next one. I have 6/12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9/12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can see from my picture that 6/12 is less than 9/12. Now I have 5/6 and 5/8. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 6 parts shaded, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 8 parts shaded. I can see from my picture that 5/6 is greater than 5/8. Let's look at the next one. I have 3/4 and 3/9. 3 out of my 4 parts are shaded, and 3 out of my 9 parts are shaded. I can see from my picture that 3/4 is greater than 3/9. And here's the last one. We have 8/16 and 8/10. You can shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 16, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 10. I can see from my picture that 8/16 is less than 8/10. And that concludes our lesson on comparing fractions.